Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $3422.45. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside. Okay, and the price is moving in this particular range. And if you have seen the price, how the trend is moving, there is a continuous upside, and what it is trying to go, that after making this particular high, there is a continuous upside, a swing form at these levels, and then a further high we can see. So if the price sustain above this level, it can go further high towards a level 34, 39, and if the price going above this level, probability of going towards $34.50 we can see. Okay, and if the price going above that particular level, we can see it can make a new high towards a level of 3500, and it can go further upside. So best you can do, you can trail your SL as soon as the price started going above $35.04. Trail your SL by $15 or $20 because movement will be there towards an upside. Okay, or if you can reduce your quantity around 0.2 as per your capital, whatever it is, taking $100 or $200 gap, then you can hold it for long by taking $30 to $40 SL, and then there is a probability of going upside, because whatever we have seen in the recent past months, that whenever it makes a new high, we have seen a good fall comes, but it reaches a certain height and then it comes down. Okay, certain high and then it comes down. If you look at the day-wise chart also, I'll show you a day-wise chart also, but before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, see, the price of gold depends on a lot of factors. One of the factor is dollar index. So if the dollar index started going upside, we see the price of gold comes down. When the dollar index started going down, we see the gold price goes up. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there are a lot of factors like CPI data, PPI data, and all these factors. Okay, so let's see how the dollar index is moving. Suppose if the price this level and goes above a level of 99, then there is a probability of going towards $100, and if that sustain, we can see the price can move towards 102. If the price going above that level, probability of touching 103.6, we can see towards a level of 104.7, and if the price going above that particular level, chance of touching 105 we can see, then to a level of 106. But if the price moving below that particular level, see, there is a clear U pattern is forming. So if the price going below this level, it can touch a level of 97.5 to a level of $96.9, and if the price falling below this level, chance of touching 95.5 we can see towards 94.5, and then a further downfall we can see. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall. Now coming back on the gold price, what we can see, as I've already explained you, that the dollar index is inversely related to gold. Okay, looking at the day-wise chart, because see, day-wise chart is very important if you go on a weekly chart, because see, the trend is in the narrow zone and it has already moved above this particular level, a level of 34.04. So we have seen a trend towards an upside. So today's high is around $34.46. If it keep moving above this level, a further upside we can see towards next level, that is 34.35, then to its today's high of around $34.49, and a probability of going towards all-time high of around $35.01, and then further upside. Coming back again on the weekly chart, you will see how the price is moving. Let's see how it is going. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are high it can go further upside towards next level, that is coming at a level of $35, and if the price sustain above this level, then the next resistance coming at a very close level, that is $34.49. This is resistance 2, this is resistance 1, and if that sustain, we will see the price will go further upside towards $35.04. Okay, so best you can do, you can trail your SL by $15 or $20, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. And if the price going above that particular level, we can see there can be a further rise towards 35.30 to a level of 35.50, and then 3600 also. So best trail your SL by $15 to $20. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again towards a level of $34.03. Okay, this is on a weekly chart, so you have to understand, looking at this particular chart, if the price fall below that level, we can see the next level coming at a level of 33 $65. Okay, and suppose if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 33.61 we can see, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards $33.26. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching $33.02, and then if the price fall below that particular level, chance of touching 32.95 we can see. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below that particular level, we can see the price will fall further down towards 32.64, and from there a further fall we can see towards after 32.64 to a level of 32.05. So remember that as soon as the price started going below 32.64, a probability of moving further low we can see towards $32.04. Okay, and 32.04 is already tested, so we can see there can be a further fall. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Again, the mail ID is also in the description. As soon as the price started going below a level of 32.04, chances of going towards 31.70 we can see, and then a further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Again, the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.